Hi, welcome to Unit 502 at 1080 Sutter, the Blanc Building, a high-end premium condominium building here in Knoxville. This is a beautiful unit, very spacious. Let me show you around. Unit 502, here we are, walking into the beautiful, bright, new hardwood floors. These are new wide plank flooring. The entryway is spacious. It's hard for me to turn around with getting everything in here, but I'll show you that here's a coat closet. Nice big coat closet. Fresh paint in here. The unit was just painted. I'll turn back around. This is a 1,300 square foot unit. It has an incredible amount of space, especially for a 2-bedroom, much larger than most of your 2 bedrooms in the city. Very large windows looking out the back side of the building. Very quiet and serene backyard. It gives you that ivory tower feeling. Turning around, you can see exactly how much space this living room, dining room space has. This furniture here can be kept. It is high-end entertainment furniture. It can be used with the unit. It does not need to stay if someone has something of their own that they'd like to use. Nest thermostat here. State-of-the-art, top of the line, just like all of the appliances in the kitchen. Stainless steel, Bosch cooktop, gas if you like to cook. It also has a vented hood, deep basin sink, stainless steel refrigerator. You also have Bosch washer and dryer. Turning around, we'll take a quick peek in the kitchen. Again, you have a stainless steel dishwasher, and you also have a microwave. You can get a better look at how just beautiful this flooring is here. You can smell the new flooring. It smells like a brand new apartment, brand new condo. So turning here, we'll come into the primary suite, and boy, talk about space. Looking to the right and to the left, you can fit a king-size bed, plus desk, plus dresser, plus, whatever you need in here. It's so spacious. This also has newly installed, let me get you a good look at this stuff. This is newly installed California closets. So this saves on space. You all have so much space in this bedroom. And then you're also saving on storage space with these beautiful modern closets that you have. I'll turn all the way around. It's hard to show exactly how big this bedroom is, but it is substantial. You also have a very big bathroom. Some extra space for maybe some bathroom storage shelving or whatever you need in that space as well. And just one last look. So we'll come around, we'll go back through the kitchen and through the living room, and all the way on the other side of the condo is another primary suite. It's not the primary suite, I guess it's your secondary suite. And walking in here, the door closes right at the entry here, you can see. And you have a walk-in closet. And you have a similar bathroom. Turn on to the other bathroom. And then you have another bedroom, a little bit smaller than the other bedroom, but still plenty of space for a king-size bed, especially a queen-size bed. You also get a desk in here and a dresser, if you even need a dresser, because the walk-in closet provides so much space. So I'll take you one last look through the living room here and the beautiful large windows. Contact Joseph to get a showing scheduled For 1080 Sutter, unit 502, don't pay attention to the smoke detector. Those batteries are going to be replaced. This is a beautiful unit. It won't last long. Joseph@realisto.com. Thanks so much.